Everybody, we're getting ready to do lesson 2.2, angle bisectors for Geometry 1 Math. It'll be part 1, part 2, part 3 will be available here at that email. This is part 1 of angle bisectors. We got a 32-point skill sheet here, and we got a 5-point note-taking guide here for you. And teachers, here's your bell work for today. Classify the angles, name them, acute, right, obtuse, or straight. Students, give your students 5 minutes to do this. 4 minutes maybe. Okay, welcome back. Your solutions for your bell work are, for number 2 would be false. Statement is true or false. Point A is between points B and C. B and C, where it's over here. Here's C. B is here. No. Not between. And then B. BA is ray BA and ray BC is name the vertex and size of the angle, then state whether it appears to be acute, right, obtuse, or straight. So the sides of the angle are BA and then BC, and then state whether it is acute. So that's the solution to that one. Okay, classwork, page 1. Students, on your classwork sheet, an angle bisector is a ray that divides an angle into two angles that are congruent. In the photograph of the hang glider, BD bisects a triangle ABC, or rather ABC, the angle ABC. This bisects this angle here. It divides the angle into two congruent angles. If ray BD bisects angle ABC, then the measures of ABD and DBC are half of the measure of ABC. So these angles here, ABC, or rather ABD, is half of this whole angle here, and CBD is half of the angle as well. Also, the measure of ABC is twice the measure of ABD or DBC. Okay? Students, in your own words, define angle bisector. And example 1, find the angle measures here. So BD bisects ABC and measure ABC is 110. Find the measure of ABD and the measure of DBC. So what do we have here? Measure ABD is 1/2 of measure ABC. BD bisects angle ABC. So 1/2 of 110 would be the measure of ABD. And ABD and DBC are congruent, so measure of DBC is the same thing as the measure of ABD. So ABD is 55 and DBC is 55 degrees. Okay, I first got to practice here. Students, we're going to do this one, and then this one's on you. So, okay, so HK bisects GHG. So we have GHJ. Here is this ray here, K. Find the measure of GHK and the measure of KHJ. So KHJ and then GHK. HK bisects this angle here, 161. So what's 1/2 of 161? It'd be 80.5, wouldn't it? Okay. And then here, same thing. HK bisects GHJ. So what does this mean here, class? What does that symbol mean? Here's what it means here. It's 1/2 of 90. So both those angles equal 45. GHK and KHJ, or GHK and KHJ equal 45 degrees. They're 1/2 of a 90. This is a 90. Okay, example 2, MP bisects LMM. So MP, this ray here bisects LMN. and the measure of LNP is 46 degrees. Find the measure of PMN, and LMN. Find the measure of PMN, and LMN. Well, okay, MP bisects LMN. Don't we know? Well, we know this one here. We know this angle here. We know LMP, don't we? And measure LMP equals 46. So we need to find these two angles here. Okay, MP bisects LMN, so LMP equals the measure of PMN, right? PMN equals this one over here. So you know that LNP is 46, therefore PMN is 46 too. So this got to be 46 as well. And then the LMN, this angle here is twice this. So 2 times LNP would be 2 times 46, be 92 degrees. So LMN is 92 degrees. So PMN equals 46 and LMN equals 92. Determine whether LMN is acute, right, obtuse, or straight. Explain. So what is LMN then, if we know its measure? It's obtuse because its measure is between 90 and 180. Okay, our next guided practice. Students, this is yours, so pay attention. QS, ray QS bisects PQR, bisects it. Find the measure of SQP, and the measure of PQR. So we need to find this, and then we need to find this. Then we need to call it either acute, right, obtuse, or straight. Okay. Okay, so for this one is 29, SQR is 29, SQR is 29, and SQP is 29 too. So PQR is 2 times the measure of SQR, which is 58. And that makes it acute. Yes, it's underneath 90 degrees, between 0 and 90, so it would be acute. And then this one down here, am I going to be generous today? No, I'm not. So that was part 1 of 2.2. Part 2, part 3. Email me here. Thank you very much.